Tough day waking up this morning. A lot of damage. This Kia here. Every vehicle had some type of damage. Pretty much every one of them had glass broken, or at least some stress fractures in the windshields. Foot damage.